In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo using Intuit QuickBooks Online. Whether you're processing a refund or making adjustments to a customer's account, understanding how to effectively create a credit memo is an essential skill for managing your business finances smoothly. Let's kick things off by directing your attention to the Intuit QuickBooks Online dashboard. First, navigate to the Customers section. You'll find this option readily available on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your starting point and gateway to viewing, managing, and interacting with all your customer profiles. Familiarize yourself with this section as it forms the foundation of many tasks within QuickBooks Online. Once you're in the Customer section, your next move is to click on the New button. Selecting this will allow you to create a new transaction or record within the QuickBooks system. The New button is typically located at the top right corner of your dashboard. In QuickBooks, this button provides access to initiating various operations, from creating invoices to establishing credit memos like we're doing today. After selecting New, go ahead and click on Credit Memo. A credit memo essentially acts like a gift card for your customers, providing them with a credit that they can use for future purchases or against existing invoices. Now, you will enter the core of setting up your credit memo. The next step is important. Click on Customer. This is where you will select or input the customer information for whom you're creating the credit memo. If this is a returning customer, you can easily locate them in your database. Otherwise, you might need to add a new customer profile. Moving on, click on Email. Here, you'll want to ensure that you have the correct customer email, where the credit memo will be sent as proof and for future reference. Providing accurate contact information is crucial for professional communication and record keeping. Next, look for the Product Service field. This is where you specify the service or product that the credit memo pertains to. It's always a good idea to be as detailed as possible in this section to avoid any potential misunderstandings with your customer. Following that, click on Description. This space allows you to add any additional details about the credit memo. Being thorough with descriptions can help in recalling the transaction context if needed later. Now, address the QTY field. Fill in the quantity of the product or service that the credit memo covers. This will automatically interact with the rate to determine the total amount. Next up, go to Rate. Inputting the correct rate is essential as it will affect the total credit amount your customer receives. Let's now talk about Amount. Here, QuickBooks should automatically calculate the total for you based on the quantity and rate you've entered. Double-check this total to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on Tax. If applicable, you will need to specify any tax implications associated with the credit. This ensures compliance and accuracy in your financial records. By carefully following these steps, you'll be able to manage your credit memos seamlessly in Intuit QuickBooks Online, maintaining a smooth flow of business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.